on your YouTube app. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I'm Kaustubh Jayakumar. A sweet session of Semiya Payasam. This is a very lovely vermicelli payasam which is made with vermicelli, and it just takes 15 to 20 minutes to do this yummy payasam. For the Semiya Payasam, what we are going to do is, this vermicelli is very important role here. We will have to roast it in ghee, that they don't change the color but they should be in the right roasted texture. Then only what will happen is they don't become very soggy. See, the Vermicelli Kheer normally turns like into a cake like structure. So to avoid that, we'll have to roast it nicely in the ghee. Now heat a vessel and then add some ghee to it. Now add the raisins and cashews. Now just after roasting it for some time, we can remove it. Now let's change the heat from high to medium, and then we will add the vermicelli and roast it. See, while doing this vermicelli kheer, we will have to bear it in mind that the amount of vermicelli what we are using is very important. If you are going to use 1 glass of vermicelli, then just 3 glasses of milk will not be sufficient to give it the right consistency. So we will have to see to that we take the right quantity of the vermicelli. Can you see this? The vermicelli is roasted well, so let's remove it now. Now add the milk and allow it to boil. So once the milk starts to boil, we can add the roasted vermicelli. Now just allow this vermicelli to get cooked well. It should get well cooked in this milk. While we are going to close this and allow it to get cooked, we'll have to just bear it in mind that this milk will overflow, like it will boil and come outside. So you should keep stirring it now and then, or you should just have a look at what's happening. Now after 10 minutes, look at this. See, it has thickened nicely and the vermicelli has been cooked till soft. Now you can add the sugar to this. Now after adding the sugar, you will be able to see that the cooking of Semiya has come to a halt and the consistency of the milk has again come down. It will slightly become watery again. Now add the condensed milk. Now after 5 minutes, look at the kheer. It's really thickened so well. At the same time, it's having some liquid consistency into it. So let's add the cardamom and the roasted cashews and raisins. You have a lovely vermicelli kheer to be served. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making this lovely and yummy vermicelli kheer or Semiya Payasam. This is really a wonderful method. If you're going to follow this, you will just see that even after some time, when it becomes cold, the consistency is not going to change. It's going to really be as it is. So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your printable recipes, visit dosatpizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.